Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something a little different yet again. New bike today, 2023 Honda Grom. We're going to do a few changes to it to get it set up for our event, the Little Big Adventure Ride, coming June 8th and 9th in southern Alberta. So here we go. Got some Shinko tires here. These are the Shinko 504 and 505 Mobber tires. So nice and super knobby. And we're gonna get these on the Grom to get this thing ready to go ride some dirt. Let's get to it. Here's a look at the new Grom in stock form. The tires definitely are not adventure ready like we're gonna want. So here's the rear. The thing is really, really meaty. It's got tons of tread on it. And there's the front. So yeah, that's what we're going to be putting on the Grom today. Whee! That's awesome. Okay, I've let all the air out of the tire now. Let's break the bead. There's one side. For such a little rim and tire, kind of surprising how well beaded up these things were. Nope. Normally I have a nice little barrel that I sit up so I can stand up and change this, but it's about the same size as the tire, so we're on the floor doing it today. Just gonna put on a little tire slip here, make sure that bead's off, and we're gonna peel this thing off here. There we go. That's off there. On with the knobby. Okay, we got it all nicely lubed up here. We'll just double check that rotation one more time before we put it on, so we don't have to do the job twice. Oh wow, these little Shinkos are stiff. Holy moly. That's good. Now that that's all mounted up, we'll make sure it's nice and slippery on both sides here. Put some air in it and get this tire beaded up. Boom, boom. She's on there. Whew, well, that was a workout getting that in there, but it is in. Spacers kept falling out on me like crazy. We'll get this all tightened up and head on to the front tire. Oh, I am excited about that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Well, on to the front we go now. Well, after some interesting rope work, seeing that none of my dirt bike stands wouldn't work because the exhaust hangs so low here and I don't have anything to lift the front. So, with some rope work, just like that, we've got the front wheel out. Okay, let's get a knobby tire on there. There we go. That one mounted up pretty quick and easy. Just had to throw it on there. There we go, it's up and in. Make sure there's no dirt on our axle, and you just put that fresh grease on. There we have it. Put our nut on and get her all tightened up. But yeah, look at that. Now that's a knobby. Well, there we have it. There's that Shinko 504 front, 505 rear mobber, all installed, ready to go test out. And that video will be coming soon.